What's good, YouTube? Back again with another motherfucking video. Got my boy T-Dog and everything. Got my boy OG Fart and everything. OG.
Hey, OG Mars, man.
Hey, man, boo anything, you know what I'm saying? We finna make a monkey video, man. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Hey, we finna ask these girls if they was Smash, Mary, and Kelly.
Hey, man, we finna get right into it. We ain't gonna do too much talking. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Subscribe to my boys. Subscribe to me. Hey, give this video a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna go ahead and start it up.
Oh my god,
it's a vibe, yeah, feeling right, yeah, keep it quiet, so much eyes, yeah, fantasize.
Why y'all be thinking your head straight, bro?
No, bro, no. Yo. Hey. Hey. Hey, I Tom.
Oh, she sound like a nigga. Put it in. She looked at alright, but then when she started talking.
Nah, she looked like she was 16 or like 15. Well, not 16, but like 14. Yo, hey, I Tom.
Let me meet.
AQ at Tom. Hey, look, I need you to smash, marry, and kill us. I need smash, marry, and kill all three of us.
You want me to reach home?
No, smash, marry, kill. Smash, marry, kill.
Oh my god, I hate this thing.
Come on, let's play. Smash, marry.
Okay, I will kill the one in the middle.
Bitch, you ain't got no teeth.
Wait till she finish. Wait till she finish.
Alright, finish. Alright, so who you marrying? Who you marrying? Me or him? Who you marrying? You're in the camera. You'll marry me?
I look weird.
Yeah.
Look at you. What the fuck? Like you was on Shark Tale. Stupid ass.
Look at you missing a tooth right
You look
there.
like you got candy corn in your teeth.
What the fuck? Them brown ass teeth.
She look like a gazelle.
You 12.
That shit like a weird.
You doing?
J-Lo. Why are you on the phone, bro?
We're not joking, bro.
Bro, she's 7. Don't say hello.
Swear.
You 6. You know they make it better.
I'm dead, bro. They be lying on their age, bro, so bad on this goddamn ass. Oh, me? Hey, every Mimi I know is a freak.
Why do you have a baby sitting up like
Tell her at time. Tell her at time.
What in his head?
I told you.
Add time. Why you got a baby sitting
Answer
up?
the
wobbling?
question. Answer the question.
Oh, my bad. But look though, would you? I mean, I got a question for you. Smash, marry, or kill? Between all three of us. That's the question. Come on, the baby, you gotta burp that baby, so let's go ahead and do it so you get it over with.
Don't make her laugh. She's gonna waste time.
Come on. We got 20 seconds. Come on.
Tell her at time. Tell her at time.
You.
What about me?
You kill this.
Add time. You gotta add time.
She can't even speak.
What I'm saying, what I'm saying is, all right. But what I'm saying, is, who would you smash, marry, or kill between all of us? So somebody have to get smashed, somebody have to get killed, and somebody have to get married.
I'll marry you. Kill the boy in blue and smash the boy.
That's why you got a baby now. And that nigga not paying child support. Oh, what you, man? Is that too cool?
I ain't preside.
You always touching shit. I'm gonna edit it out, bro. I don't want you to get mad. Bro, cancel out the app, bro.
He's 11.
Cancel out the app, bro.
What the She counting.
Cancel out there, bro.
She got dreads.
I mean,
I'm alright.
kind of young right now, but it was, you know.
Where you at? Fuck they on the app for? I don't understand, bro.
Cause they waiting for a light skinned Rico Suave, and they be like, ooh, ooh, ooh.
You ugly. Like a damn owl.
See, why you Joe B?
Ooh.
What's up, bro?
Answer.
Can I heard me?
Hey, add time.
Hello?
At Tom.
Hey, we doing a video.
Oh,
You ready?
what'd you say?
What's up?
What you mean? What's up?
Hey, at Tom.
How many of these hours play over?
I called you like an hour ago, girl.
Alright, my bad.
Ugh. Put your damn tongue back in your mouth.
You see that?
What was you doing, dog?
That be a little like
Bro,
Rasputin.
she's sick.
You gonna be up later? Huh?
So am I supposed to edit this out?
I said you gonna be up later.
Edit this out?
We'll be up later.
Yeah, like an
Oh,
hour.
damn, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, the whole combo.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
I feel like you need her for YouTube videos.
Yo. Hey, at Tom.
Probably right. Oh yeah, she finna do one. You know Missy gonna have time.
Hello?
Like, to it.
Hey, at Tom. Tom.
She said no.
What?
Huh? I heard it the first time.
What you say?
She's a virgin.
For real? Oh, we talking
Oh,
about the
no.
phone. Ooh, it's gonna be
Oh yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. She saw your ass before that big.
For real?
Yo.
That's a beaver.
Hey, at Tom.
Go to
At Tom.
Good for you.
At Tom. At Tom. Hey, look. We playing the game. Damn, you fat. Hey, we playing the game. We doing smash, marry, kill. You heard me? We doing smash, marry, and kill. You gotta smash, marry, and kill this fat ass. All right. So who you smashing? Who you marrying? Who you killing? Out of all three of us.
Kill the middle one.
Okay. Who you?
The last one.
You.
And marry you.
So you a marry? I appreciate you. Hey, y'all go sub to my YouTube.
Okay.
It's on Weight Watchers Plus.
For you.
You just want to laugh.
Like a baby T-Rex.
You just want to laugh with me, bro.
Baby rap.
That would make it funny,
Fly.
bro. You gotta laugh with me, bro.
I'm trying to find some energy somewhere, but guess right now.
That big.
Bro, eat some cinnamon toast crunch.
What's that?
Here, hey, can you show yourself?
Meet and greet.
Can you?
Just tell her add time, bro.
Hey, add time.
Oh my.
Add time, helper.
Something wrong with these folks, dog. They never comprehend.
Just make my head.
What's your name?
Oh, God.
You there? I can't.
We really got 6 videos. Cause that gum challenge.
Dang, he still didn't upload that joint.
Gum.
Bro, that joint was so funny.
That don't,
But nasty.
I'm never even doing a
Yes,
challenge
but that was
ever
too much
again.
sugar, bro.
I'm never doing a challenge again. I think that's why I got heartburn.
It's terrible.
Huh?
Hey, can you add time?
That's my
Why
heartburn.
is you showing the wall, dog?
I see corners and shit.
Is that a cockroach?
Like, what's the point of getting on the app, bro?
That's what he said. But this is very hard, bro. Waiting game.
What did be name?
Hi.
Hey,
How are you? Oh.
hey, can you add time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not she had a good personality.
Hey, so
She's beautiful. She had a good personality.
Hey, so we doing a challenge. So can you marry, kill, and smash somebody?
Yeah, smash, marry, kill.
Oh no! Oh no! Okay, this is hard. Wait a minute. Okay.
I know. Like,
Okay.
yeah, like,
Okay, please pan the camera again, please.
Never mind, she's not beautiful.
Can I not kill any of you?
You have to kill. You have to smash, marry, and kill.
There we go. You gotta kill.
Come on, hey, look. We are grown. We can handle it. We are all grown.
What was
So
that?
just smash, marry, and kill all three of us.
Okay. Okay. I would marry the one in the blue.
Okay. So who you killing? Who you
I can't kill.
killing? Come on. Add time. Add fuck it. Alright, look. Who you?
yeah, we about to rage, man.
So who you killing? You gotta kill one of us.
Oh no.
Come on, bro. We grown. We good, bro. Just kill.
Okay, you do it, huh?
Who you killing? Who you killing? Me or him? Who you? Ooh, you got a nose ring. Tupac Shakur. Hey, who you killing though?
What?
So damn lame, bro.
Who you killing?
Oh, the one at the end ain't talking.
I ain't
Say
talking.
something. Say something.
What you want me to say?
Yeah, what you want my homie to say?
I probably,
Who you killing?
I'm gonna kill the one at the end.
I appreciate it. Appreciate you.
Oh, I called it from the jump. I called
Bro,
it
when
from the
she
jump.
married me, when she married me, this nigga said, "Oh shit."
No, look, and then look, I've been called. I was like, bro, I already know I'm ugly, so he ain't even got.
Oh yeah, before that beat it came.
Oh,
Oh, what is this?
Let's see. That nigga got 21 foes.
21.
Eat it.
21. You wanna hold it to right now?
Yeah, that off.
You got some bad info.
Answer that nigga.
Oh,
You be looking at it for like 2 seconds.
I be reading, bro. Okay, she sees. I ain't gonna say that. Carol, my auntie now.
Yeah, same people. Tell her at time.
Deep ahead. Hey, add time. First off. Oh, alright. Let me talk. Can I talk? Can I? That's the same people?
Yeah. Bro. Yeah. Hey, we don't. Hey, look. We doing smash, marry, and kill. You gotta smash, marry, and kill all three of us. All right. Come on, let's. Hey, tell me the friend. Hey, friend.
Just friend. Calm down.
Friend. Press the friend button. Golly.
Eli, bro.
Okay, can you show the other one at the end? Okay.
Oh, you said next one?
Okay. Yeah, I got mine. Okay, I got mine.
Let's write it down.
Okay, who's going first? No, you go.
What? We got next one.
You go first.
I'm about to
You go first.
On your head.
Okay, so there's him here. Okay, so I marry you. You're in the white. You're in the white.
No, they didn't say that. Chill, my nigga, chill. Let her finish. And then, Joan, they friended. We friended them. Pull yourself together, goddammit.
I don't.
Okay, brother. I see you.
That might see me on butt.
Where's the white?
Yo, what's good? Yeah.
See your face?
That shit was annoying.
Yes, man.
Okay, brother. Okay.
Move.
Okay, it's EJ. But you act like this your monkey though.
What you talking about?
Like you removed because it's not really your monkey.
What, you gonna call her back?
No. Yo,
This nigga.
why you looking at me mad? Wait, are you a dude?
Fucking loud.
Come on, add time, you fat cow.
They know you.
She said,
Look how you looking. For real? It feel good, bro.
gonna get down, man. Stupid ass boy.
But is you high right now? Ugly nigga.
Nigga, you look like
Boy, you
feel
got on a
like
Minecraft shirt.
Oh my
Stupid ass boy.
God. A true fan. Ugly
Nigga,
magnificent. Ugly.
Egghead ass boy. Stupid, you got on Ray-Bans?
You like you.
Oh my God.
I try to say my jokes so
Thought he
many
was still
times,
there.
bro. No, I try to say my
Yeah, I know,
jokes.
but he gonna talk. I'll talk to you. We might as well do a trolling. Them the
After
funniest ones, bro.
You know some of these dudes be girls.
Why you say it like that? Look at this dude.
Cause like we all, bro.
Right
Let you
there.
get like 2 more. Yo. Hello.
Hello?
Hey, add Tom.
Stop fucking
Hey, look. I'm playing the game. You wanna play? We playing Smash, Marry, and Kill. Alright, so it's us 3. You gotta smash, marry, and kill us.
Okay. Hold on. The one in the blue, oh my god, yes, she was a smash. I'll smash every show. Yes.
Wait, so you smash? No, it's Mary. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Listen. No, you shut the fuck up. Listen. It's marry, smash, kill. You gotta marry one, you gotta smash one, you gotta kill one.
I bet.
Come on, man.
Don't let me go this one time.
Alright.
What's this?
Really got me fucked up, talking about shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up.
Wait, no. You shut the fuck up. You
Come on,
look.
bro.
Alright, come on. Bitch, shut the fuck up. I'm not playing with your ugly ass, bro. Bring your ass to the camera, bro, cause you starting to piss me off. Alright, so who you? Bitch, pick. Come on, smash, marry, kill. Come on. Who you smashing? Who you marrying? Who you killing? The white shirt. What? You say you killing me? You said you killing me?
Let her talk, nigga.
You want me to add time for this?
Just wait.
Look at it.
Come on, fan, bro. Thank you. You want me to add?
I do it, you play.
Just scratch myself up.
Hey, can you add Tom?
We 20 minutes in.
She added time and then hung up.
It does that sometimes when you add time to it.
minutes in. We
What's up,
barely
baby?
got any footage.
We gonna do? Yeah, we did. We got a lot of good footage.
What's up?
Hey, add Tom.
Where your face at,
Hey,
bro?
can you add Tom?
He looks like he's from King and the YouTubers.
Add Tom. We are YouTubers.
I am a
Add
YouTuber.
Tom,
Add
bitch.
Tom.
Oh my god.
Alright.
I'm wrong with these folks, bro. Clap. Head ass boy.
Your ear small as fuck on that fat ass head.
Yeah, I know. I'm glad I got small ears.
Why?
Because, bro, y'all niggas got nigga ears, bro. But don't touch my ears, bro.
Hey, can you add Tom? Hey, so we Hey, so can you smash, marry, and kill somebody?
I'm smashed. I'm smashed or
Kill.
I'm killed. You're killing me. You're marrying me.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
I can't kill you, but we cool.
Alright, get on my line.
I don't even know what's going on, bro. What the hell is it?
The other one said that she would kill. I don't know.
I don't know. It's like 3 of them.
Yeah, they was. You can't talk at the same time.
Jaylina?
What
y'all doing?
Just tell her to add time. Tell her to
Add time. Add time.
Oh, yeah, fine.
What y'all doing?
Just tell her to smash, marry,
I don't want no cookie, but I need y'all to smash, marry, or kill. Out of all 3 of us.
Okay, well, hold on. Go back.
Click on.
Hold on. Smash. Wait. Go back to the other one. Smash. First one. Kill. Marry. No, I'm marrying. No, smash. Marry. No, marry. Smash. No, I'm marrying.
Man, look at your face. You look deformed, stupid ass girl. Get out this shit, fat ass girl.
Oh, alright, last one, bro. Last one. Every time I say last one, I end up doing like 3 more.
So,
You think you a thug, stupid ass boy? Look at your bitch ass, stupid ass. You need a shower. You need a new perm.
What is this? Monkeys going wild? Ugly ass.
Alright.
Ew.
You gotta do it that close. You
I know something that would be funny as hell. Nah, you be under it.
what y'all got going on? Hey, add time.
If it went straight to it.
Add time. Add time.
Add time, bitch. Oh, so I don't want her, bro.
They be killing me, bro.
Hey, how you doing? I just like, oh my god, I forgot we recorded, bro. This is what I do off camera, bro.
Hey, just be like, don't say nothing. Just be like, act like you froze. Let me do it.
Right now?
Let me be like,
Let's just finish the video, and then
Yeah,
we do
yeah,
that one next. Cause I'm just
yeah,
editing stuff right quick.
I'm gonna be like, wouldn't that be cute? I'm gonna be like, I'm trying to go back to normal so quick.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
What's up? I want to ask you this question.
Hey, man, add time.
We gotta ask you a question first.
Let me ask you a question.
Okay, wait.
No, we go first.
My question first.
No, we go
Okay,
first.
fuck it. Fuck it. Hey, what's your question?
Okay. What goes up and never comes
Oh,
out?
fuck no. You gonna answer my question first. Hey, so it's 3 of us.
I mean,
I'm gonna ask you a question. What they call? Smash, marry, or kill?
Touch it.
Relax, man.
Nah, cause I don't want to
Damn,
close.
you trying to break the
I
phone?
don't want to close.
Smash, marry, or kill?
Yo, if I ain't make it, she didn't get to see it.
Smash, marry, or kill?
okay, let's see.
Oh my god, bro.
Smash you in the I think I'll marry you in the blue.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me see the one in the white. Smash and I'm sorry, but it's the one in the black jacket I gotta kill.
I know I'm winning, but they doubted me. Niggas thought that I was playing, I'm the prodigy. Diamond cooler than a cooler, shout out to my jeweler. If I want that pussy sooner, put her in the Uber. I had ran up a sack, fuck a contract. Cookie pack and threats, catch a contact. Went forever on the CEO.